Welcome to week 4. We will be studying the complex behavior of optimal foraging. Foraging is one of many important behaviors for animals, and a great deal of research has been conducted on how animals search for food. Animals must determine where to forage, how long to feed in a certain patch of habitat, and which types of food to eat. To determine optimal foraging strategies, we must balance the energy obtained from the prey and the handling time. This is the time required to subdue and consume a prey or food source. The objectives of this week's study is to investigate foraging behaviors of insects relative to the energy content and handling time of different foods. Some questions to think about. Do animals visit foods more often if they have a higher caloric concentration? Do animals eat food items or just remove them from the study site? Do animals have a preferred food source? And lastly, how would this behavior be different in an urban area or a rural area? Today, we will be putting out 5 different food sources to determine optimal forage times for animals within our neighborhoods. We will put out 2 tablespoons of food per food type. The 5 food types are tuna fish or another protein-heavy but low-fat food, a high-fat content food like potato chips, some sort of fruit, for example, a banana, apple, or pineapple, whatever you have. Bread, this can be white, wheat, whole grain. And honey or a sugary jelly of some sort. We are going to randomly place the food items on a flat surface, preferably a napkin or some type of white sheet of paper. Each food source should be about a half a meter away from each other. Once you have set up your experiment, make sure to have your lab notebook ready. Please follow the example shown here. Make sure you write down any interesting observations and take tons of pictures. The experiment will last 70 minutes, 10 minutes for acclimation and 60 minutes for observation. Now go out, observe, and enjoy.